Hello there, and welcome back to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster. Today we've got the 1972 Kawasaki S2 350. Yes, what more can you say? Little gem. Lovely little bike. Stunning colour scheme. Beautiful. So, I don't think I need to do too much talking on this video. The bike speaks for itself. Such a nice, just the smell, the start, everything about these is just lovely. It really is. So I can possibly offer finance on this vehicle. We can do nationwide or international delivery. If you've got any questions whatsoever about the bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrisonmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. The kettle is always on. We'll always grab you a brew if you come down. So yes, just a really nice S2 350. So what I'll do, I'll just park the camera down and we'll just do a quick cheeky start up. Obviously you have to excuse my ugly mug in the camera. But yeah, let's just try this for you. So yes, sounds lovely, smells even better folks, and that's the 1972 Kawasaki 350 S2 in stock. Yeah, if you want to keep up to date with these vehicles on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got over 100 classics in stock, so yeah, pop down for a browse. And above all else folks, have a good day. Cheers.